So we're working on the car. James is somewhere. Wave to the camera, James.
Bruh.
James is over there. And here is the to-do list. Brakes, body, clutch, suspension, wheels, engine, seat, miscellaneous. I did it.
Michelle Obamacus.
It's right there. So yeah, so there we go. We keep working, we'll keep you posted. Welcome back.
What are we doing today, Jordan?
There is 2 pieces of work that needs to be done. We're gonna fit the side skirt, make sure they're good, maybe cut a little bit, patio a little bit. One of the goals for day 2.
What are we doing? Keeping a lookout while he tries to make... Yeah, so just wrapped up the driver's side. So now I'm gonna work on finishing up the passenger side, put the big brake kit on it. Got all the parts, think I've got it figured out, maybe, I don't know. But the rear's done, so we're gonna wrap up the front and then ultimately move on to the clutch after that.
That's gonna be good. So we should have a car that looks somewhat funky today.
Oh yeah, lots of funkiness.
Excellent, let's get started.
All right.
Hey James,
Yes, sir.
what are we working on? What is that nice red thing?
Oh my gosh, this is the amazing 27-1 big brake kit for 6 pistons, 4? I don't even know. So many pistons to help stop our S2000. And
That is not stock, is it?
no, definitely not. That is the big brake. That is the giant rotor.
So with all the power
Power.
we're gonna add in there, we're gonna be able to stop it.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing.
Speed has never killed anyone. Suddenly becoming stationary, that's what gets you.
So one of the things I'm looking for is that corner, specifically to make sure we clear everything and we line up. So I think we're gonna be good, mostly here. Then this just sit on the top. Once it's glued in and adjusted, that's gonna be fine. But here is where we have a problem. Here in the corner you can see I'm touching. And we're gonna remove a section from here because when you push on that, there's a corner, so you don't want that to break.
Sometimes my genius, it generates gravity.
Then that means when you close the door is gonna go in without touching anything and we won't have any issues. And also when the car vibrates, it's not gonna vibrate some corners, which are your weak point on the body kit.
Ow. See, you have to be crazy to deal with crazy. Even better, what you do is you open up a charter school, okay? And it's funded by multiple sources, so you'll get grants, state, federal, local, and sometimes parents will even pay extra depending if they want a level of exclusivity, depending on what type of charter school you're building.
You do summer camp on car.
Hold the wrench. Instead of toolbox, we have kids holding tools. I need Jack. Jack, come here. Okay, Jack, go back. Looking terrible. So here we can see that I need to clean a tiny bit that edge so it's flush. So when we're gonna push it against this is hugging tight in, and then we're following the line that's right there.
The scope of my engineering genius literally knows no bounds.
Comment?
Perfect. Well done.
Yay! Literally opening the box while I'm working on this. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it! Oh my god!
It's like Christmas time. Oh, that's the back.
Well, that's not as exciting as I was expecting.
Okay, what do we got? Dun dun dun!
And that should fit the brakes we have.
There you go. Love it.
Perfection.
Oh yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
I'm getting used to this. Slowly.
Okay, so explain to me the fluid situation.
So we are changing out the clutch, which will require us to drain the manual transmission fluid. One of the things we figured out is Honda is very particular about what fluids you use, both in the transmission and the differential. So we definitely got Honda genuine transmission fluid because we want no problems.
I'm not here to talk about my
transmission.
I'm here to kick some f***ing ass.
So anyway, that's the plan. We're gonna swap out the fluids and that's it. Angle grinder. Dun dun dun. Ooh, I gotta put it together. Oh, they gave me discs. Look at that. Oh, more discs.
It's
Oh wow.
it's a IKEA angle grinder.
Yeah, some assembly required. I have no idea what that is.
You good?
Ready to go.
Okay, let's do it.
Ah, that's a clean cut. You like my guidelines?
Yeah, perfect.
Excellent.
I don't remember this being there before. What's happening, James?
I don't know.
What's that?
Ah, it's a fan.
It's a fan.
It's an extra fan.
Power! Power, come on!
Fan.
It's an extra fan.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a thick fan.
Huge.
All the air cooling.
Yeah.
All the air cooling. Okay, so I don't care about you.
Oh, hey now.
Ben, what do you think of the progress in one day?
Astonishment.
And we have the list here on the garage door. Things are getting checked off.
Sharpie on the stick.
So James, happy?
Ah, you know, it's going.
There we go. So we're gonna keep going and it's gonna be magnificent. I mean, look, today the toughest part by far was the rear bumper. It was challenging for many reasons, but we got it. What's next?
Transmission. Clutch.
Clutch replacement.
Yeah.
Yeah, clutch. Honey.
All of the stuff out.
Pull all of the stuff out. Now I'm excited.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.